In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside your account to raise a concern and how to make the most of the built-in help options. First, open your ClickUp account. That simply means signing in and loading the workspace where you need help. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so pages load quickly, and if you have multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the one related to your question. This helps ensure any support you request is tied to the right context. Next, click on your profile. On the web or desktop app, you'll typically find your profile picture or initials at the bottom left corner of the screen. Clicking this opens a menu with account-related options. If you're on mobile, you'll find a similar profile or settings icon. The idea is the same. Open the menu that contains your account and app settings. Now, click Help. This is the dedicated area where you can raise your concern. When the Help section opens, you'll usually see resources like a knowledge base, how-to guides, and ways to connect with support. This is your central hub. If you need to contact the team, look for the option within Help that lets you submit a request or start a conversation. Use the space provided to describe your issue clearly. Mention what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually occurred. If an error message appears, include the exact wording. Adding a screenshot or short screen recording can speed up the process, especially when the issue is visual or hard to reproduce. Keep your message focused and organized. Include any relevant task links or workspace details, but avoid sharing sensitive information like passwords, personal emails, or API keys. If the problem affects a deadline or a team, note the urgency so support can prioritize appropriately. While you're in the help area, feel free to explore. The search bar in the knowledge base can quickly surface step-by-step articles, best practices, and troubleshooting tips for common questions, which might solve your issue even faster. You may also find training resources and product updates that help you prevent similar issues in the future. To recap, open your ClickUp account, click on your profile, and then select Help. From there, raise your concern with a clear, detailed description and take advantage of the tools and articles available. Pause this video and follow along in your own account if you'd like. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the support you need quickly and confidently.